now you have Akaza Containers Red Flavor, which is based on Red Hat OpenShift platform on the market. So nowadays, your market demand is very high. We are talking about AI and digitalization and everything. To excel in this very competitive market, we have to make sure our development process, our CI/CD pipelines and our development for the whole application to everything is very much faster to go to the market. We have to make sure that we can deliver the product on time, and also we have to ensure like there are a lot of demands are coming from customer end. So therefore we have to make sure we can deliver according to their need. So that's why this OpenShift platform as a service, which is the Akaza Containers Red Flavor, is going to do a major role. Because previously we had a traditional application what we called as monolithic architecture. But when it's come to containerization, we are focusing on microservices architecture, because when it's come to the monolithic architecture, if you want to make a single change, you have to disrupt the whole system. So there will be a downtime. So to the product release to the market will get delayed. But when it's come to the containerized platform where you can give your products in a microservice architecture, so you don't need to worry about the whole system. You can make a change and make an update in this very specific instant where you need to change. So it will not disrupt your whole environment. And also when it's come to the current days, we have to more focus about the security concern as well. So when it's come to the Akaza containers, it has level security in each and every stack. And also we have a role-based access control as well, so you can define the roles of the developers and admins and everything, so you can monetize what is happening and everything. So once you came into the Akaza Containers platform as a service, you don't need to worry about the vendor limitation, because it is a hybrid architecture, so you can have your on-prem and you can have your cloud-based one as well. So based on your demands, you can choose what you prefer. So you don't need to worry about the vendor lock-in where you need to stuck with one vendor, because here in OpenShift you can go for the hybrid cloud architecture as well. And one of the main thing is, let's think like you have a ticketing application and banking application, and you will have a certain demand high on a specific time. So you don't need to allocate the high peak traffic resources for the whole time. So you don't need to reserve the whole infrastructure and whole resources earlier. You have to pay for your consumption based one. That is one of the main advantage. And when it's come to the hybrid architecture, here you have a unified control plane. So whether it is on-prem or cloud or whatever it is, you have a central panel where you can manage the whole with one control panel. So that advantage you will have in the Akaza Container Red Flavor, which is based on OpenShift platform, partnered with Red Hat. A lot of people have already started their Akaza container story with us. So with all these features, when you are going to start your Akaza container story.